In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the RAM on your iPhone without restarting it. But just to make sure we're on the same page, let's quickly talk about what RAM is. If you clear the RAM, you're not going to have more space on your phone. The storage space where your photos and videos and apps go is separate from the RAM space. They're both measured in gigabytes. They both have uses on your phone, but they're different storages. The RAM storage is only used by apps that are running. And the bigger or more powerful the app is, the more RAM it's going to use. And the more apps you have running, for example, if you have a bunch running in the background, all of these can be using RAM. And I'm using the device monitor app, and it's showing me how much RAM is being used. Currently we're at 98%. And the crazy thing is, when you clear the RAM, it's going to load right back up again. Because that's not crazy, it's normal, because your phone needs RAM all the time. The wired RAM right here, that is your iPhone's RAM. That's for your iPhone operating system. It's required all the time. The compressed can be viewed the same way. The inactive, this is RAM that was used in the past, but it's not being used currently. I don't know why that counts towards the total of the RAM in here, but it does. And 1.19 is active. That means there are apps currently using that amount of RAM, and the total is 3.76. which is a good amount of RAM for a phone, but for a computer that would not be very much. The computer I'm using to record part of this video has 34 or 32 gigabytes of RAM. And if we tap into the detailed chart, we can see an explanation of what all those different RAM types are, so you can read through that. To get this app, before we go any further, if you get any value from this video, please like and subscribe to let me know. It really helps the channel, and I really appreciate it, so thanks for doing that. So to get this app, we go to the App Store and tap on the search bar at the bottom and just search for Device Monitor. And you can tap into it here and just tap Install or Get. I currently have it, so it just says Open for mine. So I'll tap on that to open it. And we're back to here. You're going to start on this page here. And you can scroll down a little bit and you're going to see RAM right there. You can also, once this is installed on your home screen, tap and hold on Device Monitor, and then tap on Clean RAM. It's going to take you right to this spot. And it's actually going to clean the RAM for you. So we just freed up 471 megabytes of RAM. And to get here manually, this is the detailed chart we saw a minute ago. Just tap on Clean RAM, and then it'll clean it for you. So we just cleared that RAM without restarting the phone. That's usually how you clear RAM. Because when you shut the phone off, the RAM is cleared, or at least most of it. You start the phone up again, and then that RAM will be filled up again with apps, but it clears it when it turns off or restarts. And this is doing it without restarting, which is the point of this video. So you just need to have this app installed, tap on Clean RAM Memory, and it's going to free up memory. And as you can see, it cleared up some more, but it fills up pretty quickly again because devices use RAM and memory all the time for their processes. And if you want more storage on your phone, not RAM space, but storage space, watch this video. It's going to show you some hidden places to find storage space on your phone that you probably never thought of. So check out that video. I'll see you there.